Hello friends, today we are going to make a nice design using shape tool in Photoshop. For this, first go to file, click on new and set the parameter width 400, height 400, resolution 72 pixel per inch, color mode RGB 8-bit and background content is white. Click on OK. Now set the foreground color. I am setting 164B71. Click OK. Now go to your shape, that is custom shape tool, click on it and select your shape. I am selecting 0. Now drag on your workspace. That's it. You can see inside your layer palette another layer, that is shape layer, has been generated. Now double click on this shape layer and go to drop shadow and set the drop shadow, that is blend mode is pin light, opacity is 75%, distance 5, spread 10 and size is 7. Keep rest as it is and click on OK. Now again double click on the shape layer and go to inner shadow. Set the inner shadow color, that is blend mode is multiply, and set the inner shadow color. It's already set like 0 888 D2. Click OK. Now keep the opacity as 75%, click on use global light, angle is 120 degree and distance is 1, choke is 100 and size is 12. Keep the rest of the things as it is and click OK. Now again double click on this shape layer and go to outer glow. Click on it. That's enough, no need to manipulate it. Now go to bevel and emboss. Here style is inner bevel, technique you just choose chisel art, depth 161, that is 161, direction keep up, keep the size as 6 and soften 1. Keep rest of the things as it is, click OK. Now again double click on this shape layer and go to satin. Set the blend mode as vivid light and change the color, choose white color. Okay, fine. Now keep the opacity is 65%, keep the angle 35 degree, keep the distance 32 and size 35. That's all. And one more thing here, keep on anti-alias and click on invert. Now click OK. Now you can see a nice design has been created on your shape. Now again double click on your shape layer and go to gradient overlay. Inside gradient overlay select foreground to transparent, select it and click OK. Now again double click on the shape layer and go to pattern overlay. Here just select the pattern and click OK. Now you can see we have a nice design. Using Photoshop, using shape. Thank you viewers, thank you for viewing this video. For more tutorials just log on to www.itechtalk.com. Thank you.